I love this dog and my life, even though I have no money. It's me, Denji. So, I wonder what my next mission is. Oh, go to the warehouse. Oh, okay, man. Wow, how could my poor life choices led me to this? Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Take that.
Hey, you, random kid I found. Come with me to Tokyo.
You're hot. I'm in. Let's go.
This edgelord right here is gonna be your new roommate.
Kid, cool out of your head, or I'll fuck your mom.
No.
Because when I fight, it's not
Hey, this is my girl power. Oh my god, what?
Cats fucking suck.
Oops.
I love cats, and I always have.
Alright, this is the place.
Wow, I love this place. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Oh no, my boobs.
Transformation's sick, man. You have to say cone.
I don't want to say cold.
Say cone!
Say cone.
Thank you for saving my cat. Now you can touch my super real boob.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that right now.
Yo, Denji, if you kill the gun devil, I'll give you a 64 stack of diamonds.
Yo, I bet. I'll win for sure.
So dumb! Your birthday is so bad! Are you dog? Me! You're me! Get your man opinion out of here!
You may be a minor, but I want it back on you, bro.
Alright,
go ahead.
Alright, fine. But as long as Smoky isn't here, I'll be fine. Man, I really feel like shooting this place up.
Those miners really got me.
So much likes me. I wonder if this symbolizes something to the story.
Don't get him.
No, what is she? A monkey?
Yo, Sword, how many years left do I have to live?
Bro, you literally have 2 years left to live. How did you mess up this much?
Damn, I just realized I don't care about anybody.
Since when does Denji have glasses?
Goofy all life. Let me in your eye, bro.
Bro, get in.
The devil that you guys, that basically killed half of, Division 4? Yeah, he's, kind of a thorn in the side, so it's either you guys kill him, or we kill him.
Now, here's some devils that barely show up.
Hey, yo, these guys suck.
Ooh, that top 4 button is looking real good right now.
Let's press them all.
Good idea! Okay, I'm pushing loud. Oh, you're gonna get the fuck out of here, man! No, you're not supposed to be in this thing. You're not supposed to be in this thing. Look, alright, I'm gonna push back now. Ooh! Alright, let's go. Denji, seems like you're not the only person at the top of this building. Oh, God. Can we talk about this like rational adults?
No.
He lost his chance.
Alright, let's have a contest. Whoever kicks his balls the hardest, that his internal organs cough up and he fucking dies, wins. Bro, I'm in! Alright. Watch some Practical Jokers. Fuck you. I hear a knock. Right, stop singing. Hey, what are you doing here?
We're here to pick you up for a date.
Oh, I see.
Movies.
I was about to watch the Practical Jokers. Wait, Aquaman.
I had so much fun tonight, but I gotta go into that distance over there. See ya.
Okay. I hope hopefully in the next episode a bomb girl doesn't show up. Okay, so thank you for watching. I don't know if this was released on Christmas or not. I might have gone lazy and didn't edit it in time. And but if this was edited on Christmas, Merry Christmas. And if it wasn't, stop watching. Why are you still watching? You stupid idiot. Okay, bye. Wait, I'm not Chainsaw Man.
I just
Not Chainsaw Man. He's not.
He's transforming.